Welcome to this lecture on high availability and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So here we can see the overall deployments of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure in different regions. There are 14 plus regions that are live with availability domains. There are government regions, there are edge point of presence. Um, Pretty much all the major cities in the US either have a data center or availability domain, or will soon have it. There are distinct geosecurity profiles, automated global edge protection, 24/7 monitoring, and a lot of other features and functionality. So in the previous slide, we looked at the region's distribution across the globe. A region is the top level component of the infrastructure. Each region is a separate geographical area with multiple fault-isolated locations that are called availability domains or ADs. An availability domain is the subcomponent of a region, and it's designed to be independent and highly reliable. Each availability domain is built with fully independent infrastructure, buildings, power generation, cooling, and network connectivity. So the ADs or availability domains are physically separated from each other, and that by default then provides protection against any kind of natural or other disasters. So as we can see from region 1, region 2, and region 3 diagram here that uh, some regions have multiple ADs and some new regions are coming online with one AD for now, but additional ADs will be added. So in this slide, if we look at region 1, which has 3 ADs, these 3 ADs within this region 1 are connected using a secure high-speed, low-latency network. Now, with this low-latency network, it allows customers to build and run highly reliable applications and workloads with minimum impact to application latency and performance. And all these links between different ADs, if we look at region 1 and 3 ADs in region 1, are encrypted as well. So in this scenario, we can see that a customer can choose to deploy their application across multiple ADs, for example, in region 1, thus getting very highly available applications. Even in regions where there is only one AD, there is fault tolerance mechanisms built in. And regions are interconnected as well. So high availability can be achieved by creating disaster recovery deployment in multiple regions. So if we dig a little bit deeper into each AD, what's going on within each AD, which is actually a physical data center. So we looked at region 1 that has 3 ADs, region 2 has 3 ADs, and region 3 has 1 AD. Within that AD, each AD we have fault domains. And what it means is that when customers are deploying applications, for example, in AD1 in region 1, the applications are automatically distributed across multiple physical nodes. And there are two options available um, in terms of deploying these applications. So customers can choose a fault domain when they're deploying, let's say, a virtual machine, or if they don't, then Oracle intelligently chooses to distribute workloads across different physical compute nodes. So in this case, if a compute node goes down, not all applications go down with it because they are distributed across multiple physical nodes. So to recap, in terms of high availability, we can see there is a very large footprint in terms of regions across the world that are covered with physical data centers that Oracle Cloud Infrastructure has deployed. Quite a few regions have multiple ADs. Even the regions with one AD have fault domains, and regions with multiple ADs also have fault domains. So redundancy and high availability is provided not only at the region level, but also at the availability domain or physical data center level. So in the next lecture, we'll look at verifiably secure infrastructure for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure.